Very good afternoon to the student of class LKG. Welcome to the activity book class student here. Today we are going to take up a new page here and a new exercise, that is your page number 36 and page number here 37. But before that, I presume that you are all fit and fine, and please be good enough because you are very precious for us, and in the next week we are going to have the exams. So tell your parents to please come up and clear up the fees till July and take up your offline question paper so that you can give the unit 2 test, and you have to also submit your answer in the school. Okay, so with this presumption we will take up the classes today, and today we are going to figure it out, vowel and a consonant. Okay student, so as your Pallavi ma'am have maybe have taught you regarding how many vowels and consonant we are having. So we all know that we are having 5 vowels, that is your A, E, I, O and U. So these are your 5 vowels, and besides that all the letters in the English alphabet are your consonants. So altogether we are having 21 consonant and 5 vowels. Okay, so that will make your 26. Okay, so we are having 26 alphabets in the English, we have 26 letters in the English alphabet. So now what we have to do, we have to differentiate that what is the, how we are going to put up A and N before the vowels and the consonant. Okay. So like for an example, in all the vowels you are supposed to use what? N. Okay, like for an example, an apple, E for your an eye, an ice cream, an onion, an umbrella, and unicorn. Okay, so whatever word you write, the first letter you have to identify whether it is a vowel or a consonant. If in case it is a vowel, then you have to put N before it, and if it is a consonant, like for an example fan, car, jam, bag, before that you have to put what? A. Okay, so this is what we are going to do today. This is your sound of A and an activity book, and it is for the student of class LKG, and we are doing page number 36 and 37. So this is your page number 36 and 37. Okay, so let's see, as I have told you, we have to use A before the consonant and N before the vowel. Okay, so the letter and the picture will identify here. So here we are having a picture of a cat. Okay, so C-A-T, cat. Okay, so we have to write, copy the picture's tape. We have to write this tape out over here, but we have to add the A before every consonant. Okay, so we have to see whether it is a consonant or not. So cat being a word, let's see the first letter. Is it a consonant? Is it a consonant? Yes, definitely it is a consonant, because how many vowels we are having? We are having 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So this 5 letter, this C doesn't fit in the 5 letters. So it is a consonant. So we will write here a cat. We will use some different chalk here. We will use a different chalk so that it will be easy for you to resemble a cat. Okay. So as your C is what? Consonant. So we will write it like that, consonant. Okay. Then coming to your next picture, we are having the picture of what? Tap. Okay. Tap. So we'll see the first letter is vowel or a consonant. Then A, E, I, O, U is your vowel and T is your consonant. So what we have to use out here? Yes, we have to use a tap. A tap. So properly write down in your 4 lines which is given in your book, and then write down a tap. Okay, after that there is a third picture here of a man. So let's see, the first letter is your vowel or a consonant. So M-A-N. So we know that the first letter doesn't fit in our vowel, so it will automatically be in the consonant. So what do we use here? A man. A man. Okay. Now coming to the second column of your page number 36. Now this is the picture of a bat. Now let's see, bat, first letter is a vowel or a consonant. Then B-A-T, bat, it doesn't fit here. B doesn't comes in your vowel, so automatically it will be your consonant. It will be a consonant. Okay. So what do we use here before bat? Yes, we are supposed to use a bat. We are supposed to use a bat. B-A-T, bat. Now proceeding further, what we have, the second picture, cap. So C-A-P, cap. The first letter is what? It is your consonant. So we will write C as a consonant here. Okay. So we know that we have to use a before a consonant. So how do we write this word? We will write a cat. We will write a cat. C-A-T, cat. Okay. With this we have finished this picture also. Coming to your last picture here of your page number 36, V-A-N, van. So the first letter V is definitely your consonant because it doesn't fall in your 5 letter, that is your A-E-I-O-U. So it is your consonant. And what are we supposed to use before it? Yes, we are going to use a before a van. So we will write down here in a good handwriting, a van, V-A-N, van. Okay. Now coming to your page number 37, the first picture here, it tells about a car, and the first letter is again in your consonant. It is your C. So we will write down C as a consonant here, underlining the consonant, and then we will use what? A car, right? So like that we have used a car. Then coming to the second picture, this is your J. J is also your consonant because it doesn't fit in your 5 vowels, A-E-I-O-U. So it is your consonant automatically. Here we will write a jab. A jab. Clear? Then going to your third picture, this is once again it is a bat here. B is your consonant. So we will write here a bat. We will write here a bat. Clear? Now the last picture here which tells in this column 1, that is your hat. So H is your consonant here. It doesn't fit in your vowel A-E-I-O-U. So definitely it will be what? Consonant. H is your consonant. So what are we going to use before the consonant? A hat. Right? So we will write down a hat. A hat. Clear? H-A-T, hat. Then coming to the second column of page number 37. The first picture here tells about what? Fan. So what do we use here? This is your consonant. We will write a consonant here. After every first letter, we will draw the line and we will write a consonant here. And how do we write in the 4 lines given? We will use a before a consonant. So it will be a fan. Then we are having once again a consonant here. Bag, B. So what do we write here? A bag. A bag. See that? When you write in your 4 line, the letter doesn't come out as I have done here. It doesn't come out of your line. And here we are having a vowel. See, A is a vowel here, so we will put V here. V. In all rest picture, we have kept what? C as a consonant. But this is a picture which tells about the vowels. A is the first letter which tells about your vowel here. So what are we supposed to use before the vowel? Yes, we are going to use N. A and N. An ant. A-N-N, an ant. Then we are having a picture of rat. So this is again a consonant here. So what are we supposed to do? We are writing a rat. A rat. Okay. So one thing is similar. If you are talking about A or you are talking about N, you are only talking about one individual factor, one individual object. Okay. हम जब A और N की बात करते हैं तो किसी एक वस्तु के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. लेकिन अगर कॉन्सोनेंट होगा तो हम उसे A से कॉन्सोनेंट से पहले A यूज करेंगे और अगर वॉवल होगा तो उससे पहले हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? N. ओके. तो इस तरह से हम लोग अपने वर्ड को कंप्लीट करेंगे. एक बार हम लोग रीडिंग कर लें. कैट, ये पिक्चर है टैप की, तो हम लोग बोलेंगे टैप. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ मैन, सो विल रीड आउट अ मैन. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ बैट, सो विल रीड आउट अ बैट. This is the picture of a cat, so we'll read out a cat. I have written a cat. I have done a mistake here. So please, if you have done a mistake, rub it out and write down cat. So that is why I am saying, reading, writing and reading should go simultaneously. So van. Then we are having car. This is a picture of a jam. Then a jam. A picture of a bat, which will be spoken as a bat. Hat. Fan or fan. Bag or bag. And because this is a vowel here, A is a vowel, so we are supposed to use what? N. And then rag or rag. In this way, we have completed page number 36 and page number 37. I presume you would have understood what is a vowel and what is a consonant. If you haven't, please rewind the video and see again and again so that it has been clear, and ask your parents to please explain you and help you in doing this exercise. Thank you very much and have a nice day.